Let's see how to log in and log out of the MaxelTracker application when switching between different computer systems. Sometimes a user wants to log out MaxelTracker app from one computer and log into the another computer system while using the same login details. When he tries to log in MaxelTracker app to another computer system without logging out from existing one, MaxelTracker app will give you a message that the user already logged in. In such cases, the super admin needs to perform a force logout from the dashboard to allow the user to log in on another computer system. Once the admin clicks force logout, the user will be automatically signed out from the current system and can log in to another computer immediately. Please note, users cannot log out manually from the MaxelTracker app. Only the super admin has permission to force logout any active user. And that's how easy it is to manage logins and logouts across multiple systems using MaxelTracker.